great pleasure to welcome you to the 7th graduation ceremony of the Forklift and Mobile Crane Operations. RMU and NAOC are excited to have you all joining in the graduation of these hard-working and dedicated graduates. As such, a journey that started 8 weeks ago, I know it has been a very hard time, tough ones of course. Try getting it wrong and making it right. The acquisition of skills in forklift and crane operations is timeless, and I need to emphasize the global employment opportunities that abound currently in these skills. It is time to crop back what some people took from us many years ago. And it is only through skills that we can make it happen. It is worth mentioning that acquiring these skills in forklift and crane operation is a major stride. But that notwithstanding, there are other opportunities, and RMU is strategically positioned for such opportunities too. It's worth mentioning that RMU is involved in electrical arc welding, and under the electrical arc welding we have the 4 major welding professions, and we do all. We are also well positioned in gas welding and flame cutting, vocational skill in machine shop practice, refrigeration and air conditioning, metal fabrication, plumbing and pipe work, commercial electrical wiring, industrial electrical wiring, and domestic electrical wiring. I implore all here today, especially our cherished guests, to spread the news to friends, siblings, and relatives at large. It is only RMU that will give you a standard certification that will make you globally employable. Concluding, I once again say welcome to all present here for making this 7th graduation ceremony of the Forklift and Mobile Crane Operations a memorable.
The graduation ceremony of the latest cohort of trainees in the Mobile Crane and Forklift program at the Regional Maritime University. Today, we are not only celebrating the hard work, resilience, and dedication of our graduates, but also reaffirming our commitment to skill development as a key driver of economic transformation. The theme for today's ceremony, Skilled Labor for Accelerated Industrialization, could not be more appropriate or timely. Across the African continent, there is an urgent need for technically skilled professionals to power the engines of industry, infrastructure, and development. Without skilled labor, industrial ambitions remain mere ideas. But with a trained and competent workforce, nations move from vision to action, from potential to progress. At the Regional Maritime University, we believe that practical industry-aligned training is central to Africa's path towards accelerated industrialization. The Mobile Crane and Forklift program, which we proudly launched through a strategic memorandum of understanding with the National Association of Heavy Equipment Operators of Ghana, NAOC, has proven to be a highly successful model of what effective collaboration can achieve. Through this partnership, we have equipped hundreds of young men and women with the operational and safety skills needed to thrive in heavy equipment industry, skills that are in high demand both locally and internationally. Today, I am proud to announce that as a result of the success of this partnership, we are expanding our training portfolio with the introduction of 3 new technical programs designed to meet the evolving needs of the industry. That includes heavy-duty mechanic. This course is tailored to train individuals in inception, maintenance, and repair of heavy-duty machinery used in key sectors such as construction, mining, forestry, and transportation. Accident investigation. In any industrial environment, safety is paramount. This course will equip participants with the knowledge and techniques to conduct thorough investigation into workforce accidents. Rigging technician. For those working in construction, maritime, and manufacturing sectors, proper rigging is essential to ensuring both safety and efficiency when lifting and moving heavy loads. This hand-on course focuses on load calculation, sling types, hand signals, knot typing, and rigging safety standards, just to mention a few. These new programs are not just academic offerings. They are a response to the growing demand for specialized technical talent across the continent. They represent our continued mission to train the next generation of workers who will build, repair, move, protect, and structure the systems of modern industry. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, the Regional Maritime University is ready to partner President John Mahama and the National Youth Authority to equip the youth of Ghana with relevant and employable skills on the National Apprenticeship Program NAP, which is aimed at training 10,000 young apprentices this year and scale up to 100,000 in 2026. Honorable Deputy, in addition to the above-mentioned vocational and technical programs, RMU is equipped with the right workshop, human resource, and certification to train welders and fabricators to international standard. In collaboration with the Ghana Maritime Authority, we also offer the pre-sea courses for young people who are ready to occupy various rating positions on board the ship. It is an honor to inform you that during the first term of his presidency, the President, His Excellency, President Mahama, and then National Youth Employment Agency, collaborated with RMU to equip 400 persons with relevant technical and vocational skills. I'm happy to report the vast majority of these people have taken up roles on board ships, while others are successful entrepreneurs. We are ready, sirs, to do again, this time what we did a couple of years ago. To our graduates, you are part of this movement. You are entering a workforce that needs your expertise and your work ethic. We trust that you will represent this institution with pride, professionalism, and a passion for excellence. Remember that the skills you have acquired here are not just for employment, they are tools for transformation, as mentioned earlier. To our partners in government, the private sector, and the rest of the industries, we thank you for your support and collaboration. We encourage continued investment in technical education and in providing industrial attachment opportunities for our trainees. Together, we can create a pipeline of skilled professionals who will fuel Ghana and Africa's industrial future. In conclusion, let me once again congratulate our graduating class. You have done well. Go out there, contribute meaningfully, and continue to grow in skill and purpose. We look forward to hearing of your successes and to welcoming future cohorts who, inspired by your example, will also commit themselves to excellence in skill.
Every blessed morning, we get companies from Australia, Canada, America, coming coaching our guys from Ghana. Every blessed day. The formal way of coming in and taking us different, but the informal way. They go to company's website, LinkedIn, and see an operator, and then a headhunter will just coach the person, give him, call it, something that he never even dreamed of getting within a year, that I've got a job for you. They are not having them out there. So if this great university is taking this initiative, ladies and gentlemen, I'm telling you, it's one of the selling commodities that Ghana we have, but we are not recognizing. The current initiative of our President, His Excellency John Dramani Mama, and the Youth Authority. I'm telling you, the development program that they are putting in place, I will urge, and luckily we have the Deputy CEO here, that we're going to take this up beyond expectation to make sure that this developmental skills is going to be one of our major selling commodities in this country. I came out of my weekly management meeting yesterday, and as of now, we have a deficit over 200 workers needed, skilled workers needed on all our sites. I'm very privileged this morning that if I'm not able to even employ almost all the graduates, I can assure that I may take 50% of them and go and out. On a very serious note that Mr. Deputy CEO, you were here, I will let you take it up to the authority that the school needs a lot of infrastructure to be able to give us what we are looking for in the market. The industrialization of the world has come to play, and this part of the world, we are now getting to infrastructure development. Our president an industrial person, and we know what he wants, and everything he wants is what we have in this institution. If you get to a time, our product will not even satisfy us, for not to talk of people coming to take us, because the initiative that is putting up, maybe Deputy CEO will tell us, is more than what we have. And ladies and gentlemen, graduates, I can tell you that, as your director said, going out there is where you're going to start the skills. It's not only for acquired here. This is to put you out there in the market. You are coming to exhibit what a collaboration of NAHOC, RMU, your parents and guidance have put to you today for all of us to come and sit here for you. What you do out there is going to replicate whether what we're doing today is the true picture of what we're saying. And me, as the CEO of such a great institution, I will bring the feedback to the Vice Chancellor to tell him that these are what they're doing, and whoever is coming out of this place, don't think you're going out there for good. Whatever you do wrong there, it will reflect here. Because they say go and do what will give others the encouragement to come and replicate what you're doing out there. I can assure you that with these new skills that you've acquired from this institution, you are one of the highest selling employable commodity in the market today. We may only think that our business surrounds just in a crowd. I'm telling you, what is out there waiting for you is more than what we see in a crowd. If you go to the port, you see that a lot of equipment comes out of the port. They are in the country, they've not gone out. They are waiting for you out there. So I'm assuring all of you that with this great institution and this program that the two bodies have come together to develop, we in the market will make sure that we will create room for more consumption of such great results. And this morning I urge all of us that let's support the school. As Rabotek as an institution, I'm going to meet my team, have a discussion on how we are also going to contribute to this great program that the institution is coming up.
Akosia Safo Yamwa, you can also call me Mavis. I'm a nurse by profession at Kolebu Teaching Hospital. I was introduced to the forklift by a friend who is a SEPS officer. He came here some years ago and he introduced me, and I was interested to come and join. So along the way, I was able to join, but it wasn't that easy because going to work, coming here, by God's grace, I tried my possible best to cope with it, and I finished successfully. But what I learned is you don't have to be in one profession. You can also add up because you don't know where you'll be. So that's my aim, to be in the forklift training. Fellow women out there, it doesn't mean you're a woman, so you cannot do what men can do. As we are saying, we can do what men can do. So I will encourage all of you, not only the women, but mainly to be on the women, because normally we fear machines, that you can join, encourage yourself, train yourself as you've come. Don't be disappointed by yourself, or don't tell yourself I can't do it. You can do it. I'll encourage all of you out there to join the Maritime University to learn more. Don't learn at the roadside. Come to the school, join, write a little exam that you can. If you can't write it, the teachers are here or the supervisors are here to help you to get whatever you want.
Prince, I'm a private driver, but this year I decided to take a great step in venturing into forklift operation. So there's a course that practically involves the theoretical aspect and then the practicals, which took us approximately 2 months to undertake. So indeed, it's a very great course, and I urge everyone who's above 18 years and needs a practical skills. It doesn't matter whether you already have a degree or whatever. This is a skills that is hands-on, and that would prepare you for the job market once you're ready. I would encourage everybody, to whether male or female, to partake in this program in the Regional Maritime University, because that is where the world is now. We're in the tech world, and wherever practicality is, that is where the work is.